Hello, my name is Bill, and today it's all about a great bowl of mussels the easy way. I used to go to an upscale brewery in Boca Raton with a friend of mine. They bring out this huge pot of mussels with some crusty bread. We'd sit there drinking some cold beers and enjoying this big, huge pot of mussels. It was great. I love mussels. I just hate preparing fresh ones. So I've got a couple shortcuts for you. First off, I get these mussels from the grocery store. They're frozen. No one would ever know. You just keep them frozen until you're ready to throw them in the pot. So what I have here in my pot is I put 3 tablespoons of olive oil and some whole cloves of peeled garlic and some big chunks of carrots. So the garlic's going to be the nice pungent flavor that works into the mussels, and the carrots are going to be kind of that sweetness to cut it. Carrots are great for that. I mean, you can use carrots and tomato sauce to cut the acid of the tomatoes. I poured in there a cup of chicken stock after I sauteed everything and half a cup of white wine. So you're going to get the flavor of the wine. Make sure you use a wine that you'd be willing to drink. So now what we're going to do, this has been simmering for 20 minutes. That's a great fast forward. Got it to a nice rolling boil. Lid's hot. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter. Once again, it's kind of for flavor, just to get some creaminess, because we're going to sop up that wonderful broth with some bread. And I got a big handful of basil, fresh from the garden. Just want to get this all nice and boiling again, because we're going to steam these guys. So while I'm waiting, I'm going to throw some bread, some French bread, in an oven. Temperature doesn't matter, I happen to have 350. Just starting to get good here. I've got these mussels. They just come in a like a crowd pack, vacuum pack bag. Get cut open with kitchen scissors here. Heavy duty plastic. Sometimes I have to cut around just to get it open. Perfect. Okay, I'm just going to let these all slide right in here. All that marinade that's in there. A good rolling boil, so while that's happening, I want to get them while they're fresh. 7 minutes. Remember, I've got some bread in the oven, so we're going to let this simmer. Don't peek, just let them cover it for 7 minutes on a good rolling boil, and we'll be right back. Alright, mussels have been cooking pretty good and the bread's about ready, so let's get this together. First I want to turn down the heat so I don't steam my face off. It's really hot, really hot. Okay, first I see all the mussels have opened, so that's a good sign. Just want to ladle these out. I want to get all the juice. I just want enough to keep them warm and something to sop up with the bread. It smells really good. And I mentioned about those ankle scissors before. They are excellent. I'm gonna put a link so you can get some from Amazon. I like them. I've had mine forever. Because you really, shouldn't use paper scissors in your kitchen. They'll cut anything. That's what you need. Actually, I broke a shell here. That's okay. If a mussel doesn't open, don't eat it. It's the old saying. But I'm the guy that broke the shell. I know. The bowl's getting kind of toasty. So I'm trying to keep most of the extra stuff in there. As you can see, we got a nice flavorful bounty of mussels. Just pour some of this good old juice right over top of it. Oh yeah, doesn't that look good? Last but not least, like I said, I got some nice hot bread here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Throw this on a plate. Everyone can grab a piece, start tearing at it, and that's all there is. This is the best bowl of mussels. This is an appetizer. It's a lunch. You can make it as an entree. I love it, and of course, nowadays I would drink it with a German Riesling. A little less beer, a little less stomach. But please enjoy. Make sure you subscribe and follow me, and comment. Let me know what you think about it. Try it. Go to your local grocery store, find these mussels, and if you'd rather make them fresh, you can still use the same recipe idea, and enjoy. Have a good day.